Ask Doug, what does cross-accumulate deductible mean when it comes to my international employer group insurance? Ask Doug, questions and answers about employer group medical insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your international employer group medical insurance best for you and your family. What does cross-accumulate deductible mean when it comes to my international employer group insurance, Doug? That is a great question, Henrik. All international employer group insurance policies allow deductibles to cross-accumulate. Henrik, this means any deductible met in one place/location will apply to the other location. So if you already met your U.S. deductible and go back overseas, any additional medical care in that year won't need to meet the deductible. Find out more information on your international employer medical insurance options at gninsurance.com.